We have already spoken yesterday about the premiere on DTH అనేది గురించి మాట్లాడాం. ఎవరెవరు చేస్తున్నారు అనేది ఇప్పుడు ముఖంతో సహా తెలిసిపోతుంది. So now you see the faces of the actual platforms, and these are the faces of the platforms. Sovereign Media Marketing, CEO and COO Rajiv Nambiar and Chandrasekhar, and their MD Baladityan. They stood by me. It is not just Rajkamal Films who made it happen. This was just my idea, but there's a full office working for me, and that office was given to me for my use by Mr. Baladityan, whom I'm thankful to. All of them are aware of Rajiv Nambiar and Chandrasekhar. They have been talking, debating, negotiating on our behalf, and it's taken 6 months. We have been thinking about it. Slowly, step by step, we came to the total fruition of this idea. DTH lo ఎలా చూపించాలి, ఎప్పుడు చూపించాలి అనేది we thought, debated, and why the price should be more than in the theatre అనేది కూడా we debated. For me, I felt that the ecosystem of the theatre should be intact. It will be intact, but I took extra care దానికి ఏమీ జరగకుండా ఉండాలని. And it's about 3% is the population of the set-top boxes in the country. And here you have 50% being stolen by pirates, and nobody seems to make as much noise about that than about this. That's a thief taking away. దొంగవాడు తీసుకుని వెళ్ళిపోతే ఏమి చెప్పలేని వాళ్ళు ఇప్పుడు నాకు I have the right to monetize it, and that too I will say Darapu, I don't know how much it will be. It might be 1.5%, 1%. We are happy with that. Even out of the 8 crore population in Kotla, 1% will see. If 1% sees, we are successful. Home and dry. And అందులో ఏమి మునిగిపోదు అనేది నా నమ్మకం. వాళ్ళు కూడా అలాగే నమ్మాలి. నమ్మి వచ్చిన వాళ్ళు ఉన్నారు, exhibitors. And that's why it's also getting released in the theatres on the 11th in Andhra, Tamil Nadu, Kerala, Karnataka, and the rest of the country. And this is a new revolution in which all the platforms have shown great spirit of entrepreneurship. In spite of being stiff competitors of each other, they come to sit together to show that business fraternity will work together when the time and the need arises. I hope the film industry will also learn from these people who are asked. We are actually one family. There are 4 or 6 different families, and they're willing to come to work together, and that's what we'll have to learn. The opportunity will have to be availed by all of us. If we single out, we lose strength. And it is for the strength that these people came together. I thank all of them, Sun, Dish, Airtel, Videocon, Reliance, Tata Sky, all of them who came in. And the rest of the 5 partners are there throughout the country. Tata Sky will stay with us only in Tamil. So we have all these 5 partners with us in Tamil, Telugu, and Hindi, the 3 languages that this film speaks. So even those Tamilians who live in Andhra will get their Tamil feed, and vice versa. And there are a lot of Hindi-speaking people also. They might get an opportunity. And it is this is not an alternative to cinema, it's an additional choice. You can have your food at home, or you can go to the restaurant and have it in all its glory. This is an additional facility, and this is going to welcome back to the cinema experience those who have forgotten about it and decided to stay home. And as a matter of fact, my friend Crazy Mohan is a writer. His father has not seen films in the theater for 25 years. He thanked me personally that I used to wait for 3-4 weeks for some dirty DVD to come to see it. But now you've given me this opportunity to see it even before my son can see it in the theater. And thank you very much. It could include many people, those who are recuperating from illness, invalid people. I mean, so many people, I mean, physically challenged people who cannot have, not all public places are friendly to physically challenged people. All of them will be benefited by this, and we are ushering in a new era of convenience. That's all. It's not an alternative destructive force that's coming into play. Thank you.
I want to thank all of you for coming today, and thank you to Kamal sir for giving me this wonderful opportunity to be part of this wonderful project. It's very exciting, and we haven't seen a movie like this from Indian cinema ever before. So I think his idea to reach out to each and every person is incredible, and I think we should celebrate and we should support him as much as we can, because I know that he gives back so much to cinema, and we are part of cinema and part of movies because we love it, and we also love the audience, and we want them to appreciate all the hard work that Kamal sir has put into this. And it really is a global village, and we must thank also sir for bringing all of us together. We had actors from America, England, India, we had technicians, so it's a truly international project, so it's I think imperative that everyone in the world gets an opportunity to see it. And we're part of history here, so it's exciting, and we should do everything we can to go out and support this. Thank you.
I would like to brief you on this multi-mega project that we are bringing on DTH. Airtel DTH is thrilled to partner with Dr. Kamal Haasan to showcase his much-awaited thriller Vishwarupam. Today, the DTH platform is constantly innovating to bring new products and services that enhance TV viewing and enrich the lives of customers. The premiere of the much-awaited Vishwarupam on Airtel DTH, before its theatrical release, is an industry first that has created an all-new avenue for movie releases in India. The Indian DTH industry is now all set to usher into a new era of innovation. Yet another product innovation from Airtel Digital TV that allows 7.5 million viewers of Airtel DTH to enjoy the movie 12 hours before the theatrical release. Customers also will get an exceptional viewing experience because of MPEG 4 and DVB-S2 technology. The pre-bookings of the movie premiere on Airtel DTH started earlier this week, and we have got a phenomenal response from our customers, making Vishwarupam one of the most sought-after movies of all times on Airtel DTH pay-per-view channel platform. Airtel DTH customers in AP can view this film at a nominal rate of affordable price of ₹500. Customers can book the show with a simple SMS and watch the movie in the privacy and convenience of their homes with as many family members and friends with no worries of the high ticket prices. I once again congratulate Dr. Kamal Haasan and team for innovating this first in India sort of experience for all our DTH viewers. Thank you.
From Sun Direct, I would like to inform that we are really thankful for adding, because if you all recall, Sun Direct as a brand is a very strong player in South India, basically with the South packages, more towards South content, and as you all know, we are the #1 brand in South India with 8 million subscribers all India if you look at, and this film is going to be transmitted in Sun Direct as a break free, and as Kamal sir is saying that this film is a break free, and also we would like to inform that this film cannot be recorded when it is played back in Sun Direct. It cannot be recorded using your HD or anything, because the recording facility is disabled. For Telugu, the subscription price for this film is 500 rupees. That's what the information I want to share from Sun Direct. Thank you all. Thank you very much.
It's been a privilege for us, for Dish TV, to be part of this historical moment. That's what I'll say. As you know, Dish TV has been, the pioneer in DTH in India. We are not only the largest player in India, but in whole of Asia. We've got about 14 million customers. And what best a platform can be for the launch of this kind of event from another pioneer, Dr. Kamala Hassan. So this is available for 14 million viewers across the world in 3 languages. That's in Telugu, English, and Tamil. Response has been pretty good. Another good part is that the people, let's say the entire Tamil speaking or people who understand Tamil can subscribe here, which is opening another venue. So I congratulate the whole team for success. And Dish TV being the pioneer, we look forward for similar ventures in the future also. Thanks once again, be part of it.